Imagine losing part of yourself, then gaining something that feels even more natural than you dared hope. This is the world's most advanced bionic knee. Not worn, but integrated. Traditional prosthetics rely on sockets, clunky, unstable, prone to infection. But now, scientists at MIT have reimagined everything. They've created a tissue-integrated bionic knee, one that directly connects to your bone and muscle, giving you real-time control, stability, and even a feeling of self. In a small clinical study, people with above-the-knee amputations walked faster, climbed stairs, and dodged obstacles almost instinctively. The secret? A two-part system. First, osseointegration, a titanium rod anchored into the bone for direct skeletal support. Second, the AMI, a groundbreaking technique that reconnects muscle pairs to restore natural feedback. Tiny electrodes harvest neural signals from the muscles. A robotic controller deciphers them and tells the prosthesis exactly how to move, just like your real leg once did. When tested, subjects using this system, called the Osseointegrated mechanoneural prosthesis or OMP, outperformed users of every other prosthetic model. But this isn't just about motion, it's about embodiment. The feeling that your artificial limb is truly part of your body. And the OMP gave users something they'd never felt before. Agency, ownership, identity. Professor Hugh Hare, who helped pioneer this innovation, puts it simply, this isn't a tool. It's part of who you are, currently being used below the knee at Brigham and Women's Hospital. This integrated prosthesis could become the new standard for above-knee amputations, once FDA trials are complete. We're witnessing the dawn of a future where technology doesn't just imitate life, it becomes part of it. Subscribe to LG News for more breakthroughs reshaping what it means to be human.